So essentially, at the local level, there's tons of participants, there's many spectators of these particular events. And so at the local or grassroots level, we're going to find a variety of events. We're going to find a variety of sanctioning bodies. But as we work our way up the pyramid, as we work our way as far as a broader region, you're going to find fewer and fewer entrants, fewer and fewer events, and fewer sanctioning bodies involved. And so at the global level, there's just a few global level events, just a few global level sanctioning bodies. For example, Formula One or the Indianapolis 500 would be both examples of more global events and global racing series. There's just a few of them. And so the moral to the story is what this is also showing is the fact that those key stakeholders that I just mentioned also vary in terms of are they at the local level or are they at the global level or somewhere in between. And a great example of the local level is this picture I took of a karting event on the streets of Hagerstown, Indiana, in the middle of nowhere. And so here at the grassroots level, we've got grassroots participants. We've got obviously suppliers and constructors of karts, racing teams, typically parents. And so the particular event here, obviously not going to have the money involved that we'd find with a global level event, but there's several of these local events all throughout the particular area, country. And so we're going to find more of these events than we are those global elite level events.